There are several ways to make a knot. This is what I usually do, as I like to wrap the yarn around my finger when I work. So I just cross the yarn over my thumb, hold it there, hook underneath, pick that one up, pull it through, and there's my knot. And off I go. Another way of making a knot is by placing your yarn on the table, like that. Pull your yarn across, pull that over, looks like a pretzel. Then just pick up the middle one and oopsie, there's your knot. There we are. You can also make a magic circle, which is very flexible. You can pull in the end of the yarn to make the ring in the middle tighter. So you basically hold the end of the yarn over 2 fingers, or you can use 4 fingers, whatever's easier. Cross it over. Now hook under the first one and pull the second one and twist it towards you. Now we want to pick this one up and pull it through. Okay. Just, this is the tail end of the yarn. Just make a few chains and a few trebles. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our ring. Of course you would have trebles going all around, as many as you want, 10, 12. So that's the beauty of this magic circle, is that you can pull this tail end in and it pulls it all the way in as far as you want. So you've got a nice neat center.